Welcome back to the day 7 of 30 days English improvement challenge series. And yeah, I hope you all are studying great and doing well. And today, my topic for talk is a time when you felt really happy. There are many moments when I felt really happy, but when it comes to very special, it's none other than my the day when I got to know that I selected as a deputy manager in ICICI Bank, which is my very first job. So the day uh, like for ICICI Bank, I've applied without any knowledge. I have a habit of scrolling the jobs and all. So in that way, I got to know something as per batch I saw, and I've applied. Like I didn't have any preparation for that. I don't have interest at all because as you all know, I'm very much interested in government sector jobs rather than private sector. So I applied that. Then within 2 days only, I got one invitation mail, like to give that online exam and screening test. I think typing test. I've given that online exam. I still remember the day while I was giving the exam. I'm just like I think current affairs the section. I'm just randomly giving the answers. Then I got a notification that Nancy, you are not reading questions properly. Like you are giving random answers. Please focus on the exam. Then I decided, yeah, let's read and give the answers. Then I've read English, reasoning also. I've remembered some questions there. I solved and I've attempted mostly. Then they asked me one question: Who is your inspiration? Why? Then I've told them about Navin Patnaik ji, and in English and typing. I think not speaking also for 1 minute and typing also. So both I've written, and that day passed. I didn't even inform to my mom and dad regarding this ICICI like bank that I've applied for that exam and all. They don't know. I didn't inform them. After giving that exam, I think I still remember. It's been 10 days past, and I went to my home, and I was supposed to return to my hostel. Mm, I think April 2nd, I received a message in WhatsApp that, Dear Nancy, you are shortlisted for the interview of ICICI so and so. I got that message. Then I was thinking, should I tell to my mom or not? Then she observed my face. Then what happened? She asked like that. Then I said the back end story, everything that recently I have applied for that ICICI bank, and I've given the test. I cleared the test, and they are asking me to attend the interview, which is in Vishakhapatnam next day. I got to know like today's evening, afternoon, I guess, and I have to attend the interview on the next day morning, 8 not 11 a.m. I think. So my mom said, why not you give it a try? Just go and appear. Let it be. Whether you go or not go, it's up to you. But as you clear the exam, you also face the interview. She said like that. And my brother booked the ticket, and that day's evening only I started and went to that Vishakhapatnam from Konark. So on that day, I still remember I went there, and I think more 18 people or 18, 15 to 18 people came that day to attend that interview. And yeah, it was very good, and I was confident. I don't know, I haven't prepared anything about that bank and all. All I have is I know how to introduce myself in a good way, effective. I don't have any fear, I don't have any panic attacks. Whatever they asked, I just simply answer like this, the way I am telling to you all. So the day passed and I returned to Konark. I don't have any hopes, but I know that I performed well in the interview. As I got to know na, within there. That day only they said ki, yeah, congratulations, they said. I said, oh, okay, let it be. Let the results come, then I'll tell to my parents. After the interview, I went to directly to the college, and I think that time I'm having my final semester or something. I didn't remember well. So it's all in April only. I think after the interview, within 1 month, I am going to my Junu's birthday. I think 23rd April. I think that day only, I received mail invitation letter that you are shortlisted for the training program. As by training program, you have to go to Rajasthan for 2 months training, classroom training. Then you will get place, and you will be joined in the branch after 2 months of training. I got everything and the salary structure, everything. I've I've shared with my mom and dad. They felt very happy. I don't know, just because next after my masters only I got that job. That's why they're very impressed and they're very happy. They told to every of my, like all my relatives and all, they're everyone is are very happy. Even I'm very excited because it's my very first interview, not interview, very first job. Interviews, though I've faced a lot of interviews. I love facing interviews, by the way, and I'm very happy. I arranged within the 10 days of gap only. We went to the Rajasthan, the 2 months uh, life of their training classes and all. It's an amazing time we had together. Like all the states of India, people came there for the training, and it was an amazing period of life. So that's the day when I really felt happy. Like the day when I got to know I got selected as a deputy manager with a good pay. But I felt very happy, to be honest. I also felt very happy, and my parents also very happy. But after joining the bank, the story is different. That excitement, that work, everything gone. Only pressure remains same. That's why I resigned the job. So this is all about my the day, like the time when you felt really happy. The time when I really felt happy, it was the day when I got to know like selected as a deputy manager in ICICI Bank, which is my very first job. And yeah, and how many of you are already started learning a new skill? Please do let me know. And if you haven't started, please, please, please do not waste much time. Already 2 months completed. Please do start learning any new skill, because 2026 is all about learning a new skill. And always, always be consistent. Always choose consistency over perfection, because consistency doesn't need to be perfect always. Okay, have a great time, stay consistent, bye bye.